right here, I'm in a parking lot at the post office so that I could finally ship. Starting the vlog off in the car, I went ahead and ran some errands, and because I'm just on a time crunch, I'll go ahead and tell you guys what I did if I can buckle myself up over here. Oh, I went ahead and headed off to Hobby Lobby so that I could return those pieces that I was talking about that I didn't end up using. There's actually still a couple more that I hung onto just in case, but after I try to restyle the top of the shelves again, we'll just kind of see where I land. And so I went in, returned that, and then picked up other pieces in my journal after I just kind of sat there in the library, looked at the whole space, and just kind of tried to rethink the vision. So I picked up 2 pieces, and then of course, you know, I picked up some floral. So I'm gonna try to style it again and off camera because it's still, you know, gonna be a reveal for my main channel. And then right here, I'm in a parking lot at the post office so that I could finally ship off my daughter's care package for Valentine's Day. It's February 20 something. So it's all right, no big deal. And again, actually all of it ended up being her clothes that she wanted. And then I had some Dollar Tree socks. I ended up adding like the fortune cookies in there. I added like a nail polish and all those little like things that I had hauled, but I didn't end up filming like me obviously closing the box or anything like that. But basically when she opens it and then takes everything out, she will see the I love you at the bottom, like I showed you guys in the video from a vlog. I don't know when it was, but I think it was like on the cover of my thumbnail and maybe in the title, so you'd be able to find it pretty easily if you want to see just what the care package design, I guess, looked like. So anyways, that's it from running errands perspective. I'm gonna go ahead and I was gonna go to TJ Maxx because there's other stuff I need to get for the library. I've been looking for like a white blanket, some white pillows, and I also need a like faux tree plant thing that I'm gonna put in a corner, but I want to go to At Home for that. So anyways, today's not running all the errands today because I need to go home and film.
Maybe we have different plans. Maybe later I'll show you my phone.
Oh, really?
Babies. Alright, I've been busy in the office all day, just editing my video and just kind of taking care of all the YouTube things behind the scenes. I've been watching Out of Towners. Well, let me rephrase that. This has been on TV. Here's what Loxie's up to. She's just cuddled up, but I want to show you guys how the entryway turned out because I did decorate and film this for my main channel and I wanted you guys to see it. Sorry about the lighting, but it's an overcast, stormy afternoon. So a storm rolled in, which is so nice. It really just makes me want to get a blanket and cuddle up and just listen to it, but I've just been too busy. But here's what it looks like. I added some flowers to the wreath here. It's just orange little like roses. I don't know what those are called, but, and then we've got this sign, which is, you know, it's from Hobby Lobby. It's so pretty. And then I strung this garland up here. Originally, I thought I was gonna like cut this in half and use some of these to like string over my wreaths in the kitchen. But then I thought about using it in the entryway. So far, I like it like this, but definitely go watch the video because I did a couple of different variations and I was asking you guys for help because I just didn't know. I was switching out like bunnies and carrots, but let me show you where I put the bunnies because I ended up putting them here in the bathroom. I actually think they look really cute and darling. So they might stay because I'm thinking I really like this setup. But I kind of want to see what you guys have to say because, you know, sometimes I feel like I look at things in a tunnel vision, you know, and I want to kind of see things through a different set of eyes, I guess you could say. So, but overall, this is what the bunnies look like. And then I put this candle here, which I got from Tuesday morning. I lit it earlier for the video, and then this part right here, which I think you guys might have already seen, and I'm sorry if I can't remember all this, but I'm a one-woman show. I'm trying to do 2 channels, all the things. I'm losing my mind. The real showstopper of this portion of today's vlog is going to be my new vacuum cleaner. I'm so excited. I have really high hopes. I decided not to go anything fancy. I had already spent $100-ish on the cordless one, which I thought was going to be like my vacuum cleaner for the whole house, but as it turned out, I'm not a fan of this vacuum cleaner for the carpet. And then my older vacuum cleaner, I think it was just done. It was old anyway, and like the wire was getting all cut up. So I decided to go with this one, which is a Pet Max Hoover. I mean, she looks powerful. And then also it's really cool because this whole thing comes apart and I can just do like an attachment. I also got these from Amazon today as well. The other thing that I wanted to get were more black leggings. I have a few, but they all have like a different texture, like material, or some of them have like little pockets and things. I just wanted plain black leggings. What I like about these is that they came 3 to a pack. So I thought they were pretty inexpensive. I don't know what the price was when I bought them, and FYI, pricing does change on Amazon. I really like these because they're also like high-waisted. I can tell they're probably not going to be like the most amazing quality on earth, but the reviews on it were actually pretty stellar. And people said they were incredibly comfy, like their comfiest leggings ever. So I don't know, who knows? Maybe these are going to be fantastic. And I got my long cardigan. I did a whole shop with me thing on my Instagram, so if you followed that, this is one of the items that I had posted. So I'm just starting to get some of this stuff in, but this is going to be part of like my summer style, and this is pretty light. I don't know if you can just, yeah, you can see this is pretty light. So, and I love being in sweaters all year round anyway, so I'm gonna like having like a cover like this, and then I can wear it with jean shorts, cute little tank top, add some gold jewelry and earrings, and then yeah, so I really like that. And then here is one of my t-shirts. This was also part of that Amazon thing I posted. I was letting you guys know that my style this summer, I really want to get into a lot of like vintage tees. So, and I found this one by Queen, not by Queen, it's Queen. And love the color of this too. I like the tones, kind of just has that, like if I wanted to pair this cardigan with that, it would go really well. And yeah, so far that's what I got from Amazon. Saw from the starting clip that I just started vacuuming right here in this little section, and look how much dog hair came up. That's insane. That's insane from right here. That's insane. Here are the carpet lines. I mean, I've honestly, none of my vacuum cleaners have ever done this. And the amount of stuff that came off of it, or came up from the floor, was insane. You guys, I felt like I was pushing around like a Hummer. Some sort of like military vacuum cleaner, honestly, is what I think I was pushing around. All right, I don't know what time it is. It's probably around 8 or 9, and I'm getting some socks because I'm freezing. You can see I got into my pajamas. They actually match. Look at me go. Didn't even do that on purpose. I'm gonna set you guys down right here. Sorry, because I don't, this isn't good stuff, is it? Get it back as far as I could, but my feet are cold, and I just don't even know why I didn't have socks on to begin with. But a storm is rolling in, you guys, and it's actually supposed to be pretty intense. We got a weather statement on it. It's about 70 miles per hour coming in pretty fast, and nickel-sized hail. So, oh boy. Anyways, I'm gonna take you outside so that you can hear the rolling thunder, because I love when I hear thunder. Things have a way of working out in me. Have you ever heard of looping? I normally don't actually put Frasier on the main TV. Actually, I think I have maybe a time or two, but I was just in the mood to actually sit down and watch Frasier, whereas usually it just goes on in my bedroom when I do like my nighttime routine in there, and then I'll watch like an episode before I go to bed. But I was in the mood to kind of like watch a bunch of them tonight in the living room. So we've got that on. I have a pile of laundry that I took out from the laundry room. I just need to fold them. So do that, but let me take you outside. Actually, I need some shoes. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, it sounds really scary. Just wait for it. Oh my god. Like that blinded me. The reason why I said oh my god was because I was actually walking like towards going out into the grass, and then it flashed and it kind of scared me, and then it blinded me. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No more electricity going out. I cannot deal.